I'm Len with Viewrail. We're in Plant 6, our latest facility for manufacturing modern stairs and railing. Today we're going to give you an insider access into the State of Viewrail. We're going to discuss the ways that we've improved our processes, removed roadblocks, so that we can compress timelines and deliver to you the modern stairs and railing that you need even faster. We're also going to look at some of the cool new products that Viewrail is introducing. Let's get started. I want to talk to you about shipping, but before we do, let me show you something really cool here at Plant 6. 4 brand new docks, ready to ship projects to your job site. Over the last month, we've shipped 3,800 shipments all across the country. As you can see from this map, there's a strong concentration along the East Coast. Our 3 top states are California, Texas, and Florida, with a growing presence in the Mountain States region. Next, let me take you to a project being installed right now. VRI, or Viewrail Installations, is our installation arm of our company. Right here, we're in the middle of one of the installations taking place at our Plant 6. VRI is a group of highly trained project managers and install technicians who are equipped, trained, and capable of installing a modern stairway in a fraction of the time that it normally takes. As you can see from this map, we have installations going all over the country, with strong concentrations in Florida and the Northeast. Take a walk with me and I'm going to share with you some fast stats about Viewrail. Our wood production facility manufactures 5,000 to 6,000 board feet of lumber going through their lines to become handrail and treads. That means that in the curing line, every 4 minutes, 3 complete treads are coming out of the ovens. Our hardware shipping department is shipping out 1.5 pieces of hardware every second of every day. And in this plant, we will be able to manufacture stainless and aluminum posts at a rate of 1,500 per day. That's enough about us. Let's talk about you. Steve Bollinger with Thrive is identified as one of ProBuild's 40 under 40. Thrive focuses on developing brownfield and neglected urban lands for redevelopment. Through our partnership, Thrive has installed more than 55 flight systems across 8 different states. As you can see, we're always working on our products and processes. One of our major focus is introducing new warehouses all across the country so we can be closer to you, shortening our delivery times and improving our service levels. We're also introducing Plant 6 with a host of new metal fabrication capabilities. At AIA this summer, we are going to be showing off our new architectural specs and BIM models to allow architects to interact with our products even better. But what ideas do you have? Drop me a line personally. Send it to len@viewrail.com. I look forward to interacting with you.